Hi guys, welcome to this channel. It's Aviola. Alright, so this video is my first of hopefully many on what I'm going to title growth hacks. Just kind of doing a bunch of DIYs on growing your hair, things that apparently have been proven or to be proven to actually grow your hair in a shorter period of time. So my first one is going to be, as you can see from the title, onion juice. I know. I can just see you cringing right now because I thought the same, like, onion juice? Really? Like, why? Well, if you didn't know this, onion juice actually has like great properties. Just to name a few, it's great for hair growth. It's great for regeneration of hair follicles. It's also great for thinning, breakage, and it could also reverse your graying. So if you're starting to go gray, you may want to do this. So I decided to try it, and I will let you guys watch what I did, and then I'll tell you my experience and what I thought about it at the end of this video. Oil, essential oils, and your onion. Applicator bottle, some sort of container, a blender, I've got a hand blender, a cheesecloth, I'm using a wig cap, and a knife. First, you're gonna get your onion, and then you're gonna chop it up. Bam. Blend it. I'm using a hand blender. You can use a regular blender if that's what you want, but you want to blend it and get it as smooth as possible, as liquefied, if that's a word, as possible, so you can then drain all that juice from it. But anyways, I'm trying to get the juice out, so I'm blending it, and then I'm gonna put all of this mixture into my wig cap, and you're gonna see that in a minute. My container, like I said, I'm using a wig cap. You can use a cheesecloth if you've got one, or some sort of material thin that you can, squeeze the juice out of the onions that you just blended. So this took me like a few minutes to squeeze out. I'm not going to show you exactly what I did, or like the whole process, but this is the gist of it. Just squeeze it out as much as you can. I used one onion and I got not that much, but it was enough. And then I just used a strainer just in case I had some lumps in there. And then I mixed it into my oil. And then I'm going to put all of this into, oh, before I forget, I use essential oils. I've got my lavender essential oil, my peppermint essential oil, and my neem oil. And all this be down in the description below. This is my applicator bottle. I am pouring all that mixture in, and then I'm going to shake, shake, shake. That's it, you guys. This is what I had left and how much I had, which is plenty because I'm putting on my scalp only. I think it's a scalp treatment, so it was enough. So you start with your hair sectioned in 4, and then I'm just gonna go and put on my scalp section by section. My hair was already in a stretched state, so I guess that helped. You can do this if you've got braids in as well, or like twist. If your hair's in twist, as long as you can get access to your scalp, you can do it whatever hairstyle you've got. So I'm going to do that for all the different sections. You're going to see me do that, and that's pretty much it. When you're done putting on your scalp, that's it. Throw your shower cap on, and I sat with this for about 2 hours. Yes, I was at home, so I sat with it for about 2 hours. I know you can sit under the dryer if you wanted some sort of heated cap. I didn't do that. Yes, it was dripping on my face, but yeah, it was an experience, you guys. I do think you should try it. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I didn't expect to like have any miraculous results. It's a continuous thing. You have to do it for a period of time to really start to see the results. So really, I guess it's maybe not really a growth hack, but over time it may be a growth hack. I don't know. But yeah, that's it, folks. Okay, So that's it. It was an interesting process, I must say. The first tip, oh my goodness, the first tip is do not use red onions. My eyes were just bawling. I was like, just tears are coming down. And then I forgot the tip that I heard. Apparently, if you bite onto a wooden spoon when cutting onions, apparently you shouldn't tear up. But I didn't do that. I forgot. But anyways, so I think the first thing is do not use red onions. Apparently use yellow onions. I should have done this, but I didn't have yellow onions, so I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Why? You know, what's the worst that could happen? Well, the worst thing that did happen, or I felt, was like, it was really, really strong. Like the smell was so strong. Washed my hair a couple of times and I just felt like I could still smell the onion juice. And this is what, like a week, almost a week now, and I almost, in my head, I don't know if it's psychological now, but I still think I can smell onions. No one's actually told me that, girl, you kind of smell funky. But I just think that I have onion. I feel like I smell of onions. I feel like it's gone into my pores and I'm sipping out and sweating it, and I'm sure it's all in my head. But yeah, that's like the massive downer. The whole smell of the onions and how it lingers on your clothes, everywhere in the room, kitchen and bathroom, and just didn't like that. So, but will I do it again? I think I will, because again, you know, the onion juice and the benefits of doing it just seem like, wow. I did watch Green Beauty, love her channel, you guys could check it out. And she actually showed like she's done it for like a whole year, 12 months, and I saw the difference. Like her hair looked so rich and so dark, and it grew. Don't know what else she was doing in between, but like I just feel like, you know, I really want to try it out and give it a shot and see how it goes. I may change up my mixture once in a while. Actually, I definitely will be changing my mixture, definitely not using that red onion stuff again. And then I'll see maybe the, you know, yellow onion isn't as bad. But I know I can't tell right now from results of one time if, you know, it worked or it didn't work. It's one of those things you have to continually do over a period of time. So instead of doing it like, you know, every single day, you need to do it like, you know, I'm sorry, like instead of doing it for like every single day in a week, you need to do it for like 3-4 months, and, you know, consistently. So it's all, and that's the thing with this natural hair journey, right? It's all about consistency. Actually, that's the thing with life. It's all about consistency. And I need help. Oh Lord, I need help in that area. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to be consistent. I will try and do it every 2 weeks. I may do it every week, I don't know, but I will be doing other stuff in between. But I really want to see if this whole onion thing will help, because I do have edges that need some reviving, and my hair, it's been okay, you know, with the whole breakage thing. But we'll see. I'm gonna give it a shot, and maybe I'll do another video to show you, okay, so I started this, and, you know, a follow-up video. We'll see. All right, well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, then give me a thumbs up, and definitely stay connected. Hit that subscribe button, connect with me on Instagram, and that's it. I don't have anything else because I ain't really got time for that. I'm sorry. But yeah, connect with me on Instagram, send me messages, leave me comments down below, send it to your friend, your enemies, everyone. Yeah, so I will see you in my next video, whenever that's gonna be. Bye!